So, are you thinking about starting to trade binary option? Or have you been trading binary option now for a little while and you're losing money? I have some great options for you. I am currently trading and giving my signals in Telegram. You'll find a link below the video. And also, I'm giving signal here at Reddit. I'll now show you how it looks like for the ones that are not here from before. Uh, every day you can see Forex trading 22, live trading at IQSense 22, then 23, that's today. Live trading today, you see, it's not always I do find a signal for Forex. It's not always you do that. But you can see, for example, I think I have a signal from yesterday here. Let me see if we can find it. I think it was this one. Let's take to 1 hour, so you probably see it. So you can see it's running a nice profit for now. So the ones that are interested about Forex also, I do that also. So we can then take a look at the trades we did here now, and I will explain how you do take the trades. So when you go join this group here now, you will get pictures like this. So let's take from the bottom. Then I started, right? So actually looks like the top is where I started. Yeah, 57 minutes ago. So here you can see, buy between the blue lines for the next 20 minutes, okay? And then of course here you have the link to the broker. And also if you want to see my screen, you can do that. So we go here, then you can see the picture. So that means you then open these pairs, it says here, you open it, you put the line, you see where I put the lines, you see the numbers here, you put the line in the same place. And that means when the bars then come down to this area here, you just push the up button. It's that simple. So, and that is what I do, and I basically update, I give, everything will happen inside this area. Here I post everything, here's the 52 minutes, 46 minutes, 43 minutes. You see I give a few updates, deep in the money, and I said we stopped trading, because you see here we came in a channel, and you see that when you have a channel like this, there will be a squeeze, so we don't want to be trading too long. So I did take one more trade here and I did stop. So it's a very easy to follow my trades. Here I gave an update, because yes, you can follow my trades here at Reddit, but I do not give every single trade, okay? So if you want to see all my trades like I did right here, you need to join me here. And it's very simple. You just come down to this page here. You can then choose, do you want to trade at Pocket Option? Well, I trade there. If you want to trade at IQSense, then you choose that. Or if you want to just trade Forex, well, then choose that. Or if you want to do the best way, all of them, choose that. But of course you need to make accounts with me here first. So then you just go here, you open account, you go here, open account, and you go here and you open account and deposit some money, and then you can trade together with me all these three places, okay? And you see, like I say here, only make just a deposit more than $25, because I was thinking there are people all over the world. It's not every place in the world they make too much money, but I think most people can afford $25. So if you want to join me in one of them or all, then deposit more than $25 and you can follow and you can see my screen. I explain while I take the trades and all this good stuff. So let's take a look here now. This is my account at IQSense. Here I was trading, you can see this one I was showing. See, we were trading here. Now let's take a look. There you can see. Here you see the profit. You see I did take 7 trades. We have a win rate of 71%. Now you wonder, I said we had a profit of 216. Yes, we make a little more than this, because every time I'm trading I receive some cash back up here. And you can see I have already received it in cashback 7,837. So typically when I take a trade here, I make like $2 every time I take $100 trades. So this adds up very fast actually, so it's pretty cool also. So make sure you join me, you find the link below the video, and I hope you enjoy, and I will be so happy if I see you in my live session tomorrow. You can ask me any question you want while I'm trading. as many questions. No question is too stupid. I will explain for you in detail everything you wonder about. So just join tomorrow and I will teach you how to trade. Or if you just want to be joining me and just copy and you don't even need to talk to me, no need. Then you just follow my trades, follow what I'm saying, and you can just copy me also. Completely up to you. And like I said, if you don't want that, you can also just join my Reddit group. It's completely free also, of course. Here, not every trade, I will say like around 70% of the trades come here. But if you want to see every single trade I do, then make sure you join in here and you choose IQ Sense or Pocket Option or all of them if you want to. So with that, have an amazing day and I hope I see you tomorrow.